Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're seeing this video. This is a more detailed recap of our last session, right? So we are going to get started with Canva. First of all, Canva is a tool that can help you create amazing designs. Step one, if you do not have Canva on your device, if you're using an Android phone, locate Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, locate your iPhone App Store, right? So I will click on this Play Store, then search for Canva. If you have Canva already on your device, there is a tendency that you would see either updates or open. So if your own is showing you update, that means the app requires an update. But if your own is showing you open, that means your app is up to date, right? But if you do not have Canva pre-installed on your device, you would see an install button. So kindly hit the install button and you get the app into your device. So I will click on update because my own application requires updates. So let's give it a few minutes. The app will update in a jiffy. And our application is fully installed. So when it's done, you hit the open, right? Canva is now open. If you do not have an account on Canva, they will prompt you asking you to create an account. So you have to accept the cookies if you want the application to work very well. Okay, the next step is you have to sign up with Google or Facebook or continue another way. So I'm going to sign up with Google. Let me increase the brightness of this device, remove it from, okay, so this is better. All right, so you click on continue with Google, right? Then they'll prompt you asking you to choose your preferred Google Gmail. So I'll be using my own account for this purpose. All right, so this particular account is not a pro account, so we'll be kind of limited to the things we can do, right? I just wanted to use an account that is not a pro so that we can create an account. You can create a graphics without the pro account features, right? Then if you'd want to, what's it called? Upgrade your account is possible. I will show you how in this video. Okay, so let me give you a walkthrough of what this platform is all about. So the Canva interface is just like this on multiple devices. Okay, so this over here is your search button. Here is your search button. You can click on the search button and search whatsoever you want to search on Canva. We are going to cancel. Okay, next step is this section is actually a section meant for different sizes on Canva. Okay, you have docs, you have whiteboards, you have social media, you have presentation, you have video, you have websites. If you click on the more section, you would see different kind of options as well listed out for you. Okay, so let's check other sections. So on this try something new are other sections listed out for you if you want to try different designs and all, infographics and all. Okay, so let's skip that part and go to the next part. This folder at the bottom section of your application, you would see home, you would see project, you would see themes, and you would see menu. Okay, so on this home is actually a home of your application. So wherever you are, if you click on the home button, it will always bring you to this first landing page. The project is a folder that houses all your designs. Every of your design that you'll be doing on Canva will be housed in this particular folder, right? The themes is actually, you can actually work as a team. You understand? If you have probably people you're working with, people in your company, you people can actually work in a particular design, and you understand. So that's just about the teamwork. We won't be focusing on that. So you can also hit the upgrade button if you want to upgrade to Canva Pro. So it's actually $2,800 naira per month. You can do the dollar equivalent if you want to do for a year. So if you click on the menu section, you realize that there are different options. You will see templates, projects, discover apps, content planner, and all. You can actually create your flyer and schedule your post. So if you can create your flyer and schedule the flyer, it will go live on Facebook whenever you want it to go live. But that's not really the concentration of this particular tutorial. Okay, then let's try to create something. Okay, so if you want to create something, you have to hit the plus button. If you hit the plus button, this is a section that allows you to choose your custom size of whatsoever you want to create. Okay, so if you want to create a video, you can select the custom size for the video. Even if it's not listed here, you can actually hit the search button and type the particular custom size of the video that you need and search for it, and you will have it immediately. Okay, I always recommend you using Instagram Post Square because it's compatible on multiple platforms. So hence it's compatible on multiple platforms. I advise you to use it. Okay, so I'll be using Instagram Post Square for this purpose. Okay, I will select Instagram Post Square and Canva will automatically bring the template option for me because that's the way it is designed. So in this template section, I can choose different templates that I want. If you swipe, you will see recently used. If you keep swiping, you will see an arrow. If you want to see more, you can click it. If you keep swiping up, you would see other designs. All right, one thing you have to note is this. Any design that has this crown icon means that that design is pro. And if you have not subscribed to the pro account, you are limited to use that particular design because they will not allow you to download the file when you're done designing. Okay, so let's keep swiping. So let's say, for example, if I want to use this particular design, this one over here, if I want to use it, if you click on this design, is not what's it called, is not pro. If you click on the design, you can actually change the content, and you understand, you can change the content and download the flyer, right? But this is not really what we are going to do in this particular tutorial, so we are going to remove it. If you click plus again, you can actually select another flyer. Okay, so let me give you a rundown on what this thing is. So this is a template. This section is for template, and this section is for, hold on, this section is for template, and this section is for styles. This styles is actually a place where you have different other styles that you might want to try, but it's quite different from what we want to do, so we'll stick to templates. Okay, what is a template? A template is a pre-made designs I've made available for you by Canva that you can actually make changes on and generate instant graphics. Okay, that is what a template is. So let me give you a run through on this other section. So you would see design at the bottom section of your application. You would see design, you would see elements. Okay, so in this design is actually where the template is. Okay, if you click on element is kind of a section that has small what's it called, designs that you can actually use. Let's say you want to create a shadow for something, you can type shadow here. You can type shadow here and click on shadow, and you would see different shadows available for you. If you want to search for Facebook logo, you can actually type Facebook logo. Okay, hold on, Facebook logo, and search for it, and Facebook logo will come out for you. If you want to type Twitter logo, you can search for it. Twitter logo will come out for you. You would see Twitter logo. Okay, so if you want to type multiple stuff, you can actually search for it, search for them here. Okay, that is for the elements. Okay, if you want to now get the items that are on your gallery, let's say you have a picture that you want to import from your gallery into the Canva application, just hit on the gallery section and Canva will prompt you asking you to allow please do not click allow to enable Canva access your gallery. So when Canva accesses your gallery, you have different, you can be able to see all the images on your gallery. These images here are the images that I've downloaded already. We are going to use some of these images for our designs. I'll also show you a particular website where you can download amazing image, because images is actually one of the what's it called, is actually one of the best thing that can make a flyer look attractive. Okay, so that is for gallery. Now upload is something that if you want to upload something on Canva, if you click on upload, it will Canva will automatically store it and you can easily reuse it anytime you want. That is the essence of upload. The difference between gallery and upload is that gallery, you can actually use gallery for that particular design and it will not be stored. But if you're using upload, Canva will automatically save it for you. That is the upload section. Let's switch to text. If you click on, okay, on the upload section, you have images, you have video, you have audio. You can upload images. If you click on the video tab, you can upload video. If you click on the audio tab, you can upload audio. So if you want to upload audio, make sure the tab is already clicked on the audio. Then you can now select upload file. It will direct you to the audio section. If you want to upload video, make sure that the tab is clicked on video. It will direct you to the video section. Same thing is applied to the images. Okay, we are done with the upload. Let's head over to text. If you come to text, you would see different text available for you. Also remember, any text with a crown icon is for pro. You do not have access to use it. Okay, keep swiping. You will see multiple text available for you. These are all some of the text that you can actually use to create stunning designs. Okay, let's try out another tab. This is project. If you click on project, this is a place where all the designs you've been doing so far are being stored in this particular project. Okay, then this, you have your project, you have designs. These are all your designs. You have folders in case you want to store them folder by folder. You have images. Same things applied. Okay, so this is background. This background is actually different background available for Canva that you can actually use. Then you also have apps. In these apps, you can actually use something like charts, grid code, emojis, different stuff. They are all available for you. Okay, so let's go back and make an amazing design that we want to make. So if you are making multiple designs, you can actually check them out by clicking this particular one here, just beside at the right section of your screen. Okay, the plus button is at the left section. This other icon at the right section is actually a section whereby if you click, you would see multiple designs that you're making. So this is one. If you click plus, you would see two. If you click plus, you would see what's it called, three. Okay, so let's delete this one and click delete. Delete this thing. If you click this one again, you click delete. If you want to duplicate this, you would see duplicate at the bottom section of your screen. If you click duplicate, it will duplicate. If you want to hide it, if you click hide, it becomes invisible. Okay, if you click on hide, it becomes visible. That is how it works. You can also take notes if you want to take note of a particular design. Okay, so we are going to delete, so we'll have only one item here. If you want to change the color of this particular page, just click on the page itself and click on color. You can actually change the color of that particular page. Have you seen it? That is how it works. So I'm going to cancel. This is not really the color we want to use. Let us try something new. Okay, so I will click plus here, swipe, and look for an amazing background. I'll click here, background, white background. Let's see what Canva has in store for us. If we're not really getting a good background that we want, let's check something else. The background that is available on Canva, let's check anyone that is not pro. That's what we want. Okay, so let me select this. Okay, sorry, let's keep scrolling because you have to have an idea of what you want to design before you get started. So I'm going to select let's say, okay, I'm going to select let me select this. Okay, is this okay? This is far from what. Okay, let's use a white background. Let's use a white background. Okay, so if you click plus, I want to import something that I have on my gallery. Okay, just hold on. I think Canva is hanging a little bit, so let's give it time. If it doesn't respond, we have to restart the application. Okay, so yeah, Canva is not responding, so let's click wait. Okay, then Canva is back. So if you click plus, let's head over to designs. If you head over to designs, I think I have to restart Canva. So I'll swipe up, close Canva, then open Canva again. All right, so we'll actually continue from where we stopped. So sorry about that. Okay, so continue from where we stopped. How you can actually see the previous work you were doing, you would see recent designs. So the last one is actually your last design. You click on it and it will come back. You see, we have our design back. So let's actually, we are using a white background. So let's click on gallery. If we click on gallery, we would see different items. So let's try to bring in this burger. Okay, you click on the burger, bring in the burger, then you can actually resize the burger like this. If you resize the burger like this, so let's try to add a shape. If you click plus, you would see elements. Under elements, you would see shapes. So I'm going to use a round shape like this. I'm going to increase it. If you increase the shape like this, you will realize that it's actually covering the burger. Okay, so if you want to bring the burger to the front, you have to click on this particular shape, swipe down in this down section close to the plus button. If you swipe down, keep swiping, you would see position. Position is actually a way of taking something either back or forth, okay, or front. So I will click position, I will click backwards. Have you seen? Is now backward while the burger is front. But there is something is happening. You realize that this burger has a background image, and we can actually remove this background image, but it's only available to those people who are on Canva Pro. Right? It's only available to those people who are on Canva Pro. So how do we remove this background image? I will show you how to do it. Even if you do not have a Canva Pro account, let's get started. So you minimize and go to Chrome. If you go to Chrome, if you go to Chrome, you search for remove.bg and search for it. If you search for remove.bg and search for it, you will click upload image. If you click upload image, you swipe up and look for the image that you have on your on your device, right? So I'm going to check my gallery. So these are the images I have on my gallery. Okay, so I will select this particular burger. Which one is that? Okay, this is it. I'll select this burger and download it. You realize that the background is no longer there. So hence the background is no longer there. I want to also download another, I want to also add another image. So I'm going to click upload again. I want to remove the background of another image. I'll click browse, select gallery to enable me access other images. I want to now click on, let's say which other one. Okay, I want to select this guy and click remove background. You realize that the background has been removed. I will click download as well. So let's go back to Canva and delete this particular image. Delete is no longer there. If you click plus again and go to your gallery, you realize that you would have a Canva, you will have a burger that doesn't really have an image background. This is how you would know. If you click on images section, you realize that the background is transparent. If you click on the transparent background of the burger and click add to page, you realize that the background has been removed. So this is what we'll have, right? Just adjust it like this. Also adjust. So this burger has a dot at the four sections of that of the image. This is used for resizing, decreasing, adjusting, and all that. Okay, so that is how it works. So let's delete the background and look for something better. So let's search for, under designs, let's search for kitchen. Let's search for, okay, let's search for kitchen. We want to do something related to kitchen. So let's okay, sorry, graphics. Let's look for something related. Okay, let's leave this and okay, let's try something else. So let's not really kitchen. Let's search for shapes again and try something new. Maybe not this. We'll kind of have to add kind of something like this. Okay, sorry, adjust from here. So let's change the color. If you click on color, you can actually resize the you can actually change the color of this particular image by clicking on the color, then selecting your preferred color. If you don't like any of this color, click on the color plus. It's actually a palette of colors. You can select your preferred color. So let's select something yummy. Okay. Okay, let's select something like this. Let's take it down. Okay, position backwards, right? So we have something like this, and with this kind of this thing at the back. So, or let's click plus, because you have to create something amazing. Let's search for plate. Foot plate. I think foot plate would have been better. So let's bring this foot plate. Okay, this one is pro. Let's look for one that is free by clicking see all. See all would show us the one that is free and the one that is pro. So this one is free. I will bring it down, delete this one, bring the burger up. If I bring the burger up, then I will have to adjust this one like this, bring the burger down. The burger now should be up. I will go over to position and bring the burger forward. Have you seen it? If I bring the burger forward, this is what we'll have, right? If we bring the burger forward, this is what we'll have. So let's actually go up and search for what's it called, wood, table wood, search for table wood. If you search for table wood, let's see what we are going to get. So this is actually what we are looking for. So we'll click see all and see the one that Canva will give us for free. So let's keep checking and keep checking and check the one that we'll be getting for free. Let's keep checking. Canva will always provide something for us free. Okay, so let's keep checking. It may not come that easy, but you have to give it your time because you're looking to make something awesome for your design, right? Let's keep checking. Okay, we are not. Okay, let's keep checking. So if we're not able to find something, then we can actually look for something else. You can download it outside Canva. Okay, so let's try this by selecting sorry, so let's try this by selecting this particular image. If you select this particular image, look at the magic we are going to do. We are going to increase it. If we're going to increase it, then we are going to send the image back by clicking position backward. Have you seen what we were able to get? Right? So let's select this, bring it this way, select the plate, adjust it this way a little bit up so that it will fit into the plate. Then this is what we'll have. So if you click on plus again, you can actually select a shadow. So let's still on the element section. You can click cancel and click shadow. If you click shadow, Canva will provide a shadow for you. So let's click the first one and we can add shadow to the image to make it look more real. Okay, it will be like this as if it's actually placed there. So let's try to add an offer. Okay, so let's try to add a text rather. If you click on text, you can actually select a text that actually fits in what you want to do. So let's go back. Let's swipe up rather. If you swipe up, let's select this particular one. If we select this particular one, you can actually adjust it and write tasty, right again, yummy, and cool, right? Then on the next one, so anyone you want to edit, just tap on it. Canva will bring up your keyboard so you can type in anything you want to do. If you don't want to type, click anywhere outside the text and your keyboard will go back. So this is what we'll have so far. So let's click on it. If you want to change the color, swipe, then you would see color. If you click on color, you can actually swipe up and click on any particular color that you want. Okay, but I think white actually suits what we're designing. Okay, so we can actually click on the down one and write it Angela's kitchen. Okay, or okay, let's write Angela's kitchen. Okay, if it's Angela's kitchen like this is what we'll have. Let's try to add a logo to what we're designing. If you click plus here, I can actually click on, if I have a logo, I can actually import it by swiping up. Okay, okay, if you have a logo, you can actually swipe and get your logo from your gallery. That is if you have one. If we are going to use this, I will select this and click add to page. Then you would see it here. I will resize it and take it up as our logo. But if we are not going to use this, I'll just take this one here. So this one, this particular, if you increase or decrease, you would realize that it has this. If you click on it, there is this kind of a sync, two arrow meeting each other. So this is an arrow that you can actually use to rotate it anyhow you want. That's an arrow you can use to rotate this particular arrow here. That's what you can use to rotate it. So we are rotating it anyhow we want. But this is not really what we want to use. So I'll cancel it. I'll click on plus. Under, I'll swipe again to get to elements so that we can actually search for a logo that we want to use. So if you click on elements, you can actually search for, let's search for chef. And since it's related to what we want to do, so this is what we're going to use. So we'll use this one. Select this one. If you select it, you can actually adjust. You can actually adjust it. If you adjust it, you take it up here. You click on this color. Let's make the color yellow or white. Can adjust it. Let's add it. Since it's Angela's Kitchen, let's add a text related to Angela's Kitchen with AK, right? So I'll click on the plus button again, swipe, and select text. If I select text, I will swipe down and select add a heading. Add a heading, I will type AK. If you select AK, then you can actually change the font size, change the font color, make it bold, make it italic, any how you want to format the text. If you click on the font, you can actually change the font. Okay. Then if you click on font size, you can actually increase or decrease using the font size. If you click on color, you can actually change the color of the font. Okay, so you can change the color of the font according to how you want, but we'll stick to white. If you cancel, so you can actually make it bold. So we are making it bold for this purpose, and we'll drag and keep it here. We'll resize this. We'll resize it a little bit. We'll resize a little bit. Okay, then we'll drag and put it here. Okay, so we have that sorted out. So if you'd want to add kind of a promo, you click on plus, go to your element, and you search for promo. Okay, so that's how to search for promo. Just hold on, it's coming up. If you click on the element, you search for promo. If you search for promo, then Canva will bring up different offers. So you can actually use this, or you can actually use best deals. Click on the best deals. Click, then adjust it. Let's bring the best deals here. Adjust it here. Then, okay, we'll bring on the best deals. Adjust it like this, something like here. Best deals. Adjust it. Okay. So if we have this, we can actually add now price. Though this is looking a little bit crowded, but this is just me showing you how to use multiple things in Canva. So let's add the price. You click on here, and if you want to use other this thing, you can actually swipe and see them, different promo, different stuff. Okay, so let's add the price. So cancel the promo and type price. You see other price available. So you can actually use different stuff. Let's say if we want to use something else, we can actually use what's it called, this particular one, and bring it down here. I think that one is for promo, is pro rather, that one is pro. Let's swipe and see this. So let's select this. Okay, if we select this, let's you can actually change the color, but let's leave it like that. Let's put the price. So click text. If you click text, you click add a heading, it will bring text for you. So let's add 2000. If you add 2000, remember the text is white and you want to put it over here, so you have to change the color of the text. If you click on the color of the text, if you click on the text, you click color. If you click on color, let's select this color. If you select this color, you can also cancel it because you've selected it. Then let's make it bolder a little bit. If you kind of click on format, you can make it bold like this, then adjust, drag, and keep it over here. You realize that you've been able to create something that you can post. At least you get better by trying. Okay, so this is me providing you with everything you need to create amazing graphics. So this is one of the graphics that we've been able to create. Now let's download it. How can we download? When you're done creating, click on this plus. You will see the last option, the last icon at the top right section of your screen, this download. If you click on it, you would click download. If you click on download, right, make sure PNG is selected. PNG is selected. Once PNG is selected, then you have to now click download. That is how to successfully download the flyer that you have made. So we've been able to make this flyer. We are going to see how it is on our mobile phone. So let me swipe and minimize Canva. Let me go to my gallery. Okay, I'll open my gallery right away. Then you'll realize that this is the flyer we've been able to make. Okay, this flyer now, I'll be sending it to the group. Okay, thank you so much. Let's swipe up, locate WhatsApp. If we locate WhatsApp, then we'll have to swipe to the group and click on the group in a circle. I'm forwarding this picture right away to the group. Yeah, here we go. Thank you so much for your time. Tomorrow we go again. Tomorrow will be amazing. I pray that network won't disturb us again. All right, this is me rooting for you. I know you can do this. All you need is time and consistency as well. Also, those for people who don't know that I create website, I also create website for companies and individuals, and I also help them teach social media presence. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll be dropping more content that will be beneficial to you and your business in the future. Thank you. Bye-bye.